I have a request from a follower who has asked how I paint my wood beads for the bead garlands that I use in the tiered tray decor. You can go ahead and order your beads off of Amazon. I actually ordered my beads from a wholesaler in Texas because when I had my shop, I made lots and lots of beads. I think these are an inch. But basically what you do is you just put them on a skewer. So however many you want to do.
Hi guys.
And that's Hayden, my daughter. Different size. Let's do these ones. I think these ones are 7/8. And I'll be right back to show you how I actually paint them.
She'll be right back.
Okay. So the easiest way that I found to do this is to use an old box. And if you use a skewer, it has the pointy end, and you basically just stab the skewers down into the box. So I'm using Krylon Shortcuts. They're minis. You can get them at Walmart. So you just spray them, basically.
And make sure
You just want to do light, even coats.
Yeah.
Slowly turn. We're gonna wait for these to dry, maybe 10 minutes, and then I can get, that's something else I spray painted. So we have another color, so we're going in a different area. Now you may think because they're touching right here that
they're gonna like stick.
right, and you want to get them in the other area, but
I think
once you thread them, it doesn't really matter. Hold on. It's hard to see.
What are we doing?
It's just hard to see if I got all the areas.
You got them pretty good.
What's a montage?
It's where you put music over a video. Over like a little part.
Okay.
Want me to keep doing the montage?
I don't know what a montage is.
Are we on? Okay, so these are pretty dry to the touch. I've done 2 coats. I'm going to go ahead and just pull them out. You're really not going to really need these. Look really good. I'm pretty happy with the way they look. If the end has a little bit of wood showing and it's not colored, don't worry about it because the next bead is going to cover it up. The only ones that you really want to make sure are the ones on the very end, and even that doesn't really even